guys, welcome to my channel once again. And today I'm going to be doing another product review, but before I tell you what type of product review that I'm going to be doing, if you have not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button down there, give me a thumbs up. And why not now, let's just get into the video, shall we? Okay, today's video, if you have pets, why they need water bowl. Did you guys hear that? Animal just spoke. So now, we know that with having animals, you need a water bowl, a bowl in general. So why not choose, which I'm about to show you guys. I'm going to unbox Cleebourg pet drinking fountain. Now remember, animals love fresh water. And what's different about this here, if I can get it open. Alright, here we go. See, they really packed this. They really packed that pretty well. Let me move this out of the way. This is the drinking fountain, you guys. And with this drinking fountain comes your instructions. An adapter because it's a water fountain. And here we go. So what you see here, this is the top where the water is going to be coming through. And it comes with a little foam thing. And you got your filter. Here, and gotta run this baby under water for 2 minutes, I believe. Just like if you have a water filter and you get a water filter, you have to run it under water for a certain amount of time. Same thing here. So you got your instructions. It's going to tell you how to, how to put this together. It will come with a little foam thing. So you'll have two. One will be already inside. And then once your animal will eventually, it will, when you're drinking water and they have hair floating around, well, they don't have to worry about that because the hair collects. And then eventually you'll have to clean the little filter off. Now you can use these more than once. So that's why you have two. And then you have the adapter. And what you do here is turn this upside down. And then you plug it in. Then you, excuse me, you guys. There's a frog in my throat. And then you plug it, plug it in like that. But you gotta make sure you get this plastic off, because and then you, of course, you put the water in here. And what's neat about this is it lets you know when it's time to fill the water back up. The light will turn or it'll start blinking, and then you just lift this up, take it out and refill and wash it out. And so, and oh, what's cool about this here is this night light on it. So at nighttime, you can turn the night light on, and your pet can see, and you can see as well. And then don't forget this, you guys. There is a warranty on that comes with this as well. So this right here is my second, water filter for pets. And the first one that I bought, I really liked it because, like us humans, we need fresh water, and we're not. So does your animals, and we're always getting water from a filter system. So why not treat your animals the same way? And what I like about this is not only do you have to go back every day like some people do, they go fill their pet's bowl up with water. You may need to fill this up like once and let it run for however long you want it to run. And then it lets you know, hey, it's time to refill me. And you just turn the light off, take this out, and then wash this again, and fill it back up till it hits the max, and then put it back down. And they're off and ready to go. And they're not getting their fur back in their mouths or any foreign objects that is floating around in the air that we can't see. They're having fresh water. And I like that because, once again, we're drinking fresh water. They should be drinking fresh water. And like I was sharing with you guys, the little black thing that sits back here for the filtration centers. It collects the hair, and after a while you can take this off and rinse it and get all the hair off, and you're back to having it filter again and again. So this is why I like this product. Do I recommend you guys go out and get yourself one? Yes, and the information will be down in the description box down below. Once again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on any videos. Don't forget to share this especially if you are an animal lover or if you know someone who's an animal lover. Share this video. And till the next time, you guys. Bye.